Hello everyone, my name is Stryker Descombe, your teacher. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the verb to be and simple past in English. And I'm delighted to be here with you all in this lesson. Salut tout le monde, non pas c'est Stryker, professeur anglais pour là. Jodia dans leçon ça, je vais enseigner le verbe to be dans temps passé en anglais. I'm going to teach you about the verb to be and simple past in English. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Coming back. Okay, guys, as you can notice, the verb to be and simple past. The verb to be and simple past. Nous t'ai enseigné déjà verb être dans simple present. Si pas pour regarder vidéo ça regarder pour capter bien comprendre ça toujours. Regarder vidéo the verb to be and simple present là. Après ça pour tourner regarder the verb to be and simple past. Je vais vous enseigner le verbe être dans temps passé en anglais. Okay. Now let's go. I was, you were, he, she, it was, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, and they were. They were. Let me stop over for you. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, and they were. For he, she, it, the verb tense and was. This is the affirmative form. This is the affirmative form. Affirmative form. That's a form affirmative. Okay. Now let me give you the negative form for the verb to be in simple past. Okay. Okay. Now for negative form. Negative form. Negative form. Okay. I can say was and were. Was and were. For was, we utilise was avec I, he, she, and it. We utilise was avec subject pronoun side. I was, he was, she was, it was. For were, we use were with you and we. No, we before. We and you and they. Okay? They. Okay. Now I can say for negative, and say for negative, I was not. For negation, he was, please not, or you can say wasn't. This is the contractive form for was not. If you don't want to say was not, you can say wasn't. I wasn't happy. I wasn't happy. I'm pas content. I wasn't happy. For he, you can say he wasn't. He wasn't sad. He wasn't sad. She She wasn't happy. On parle de yon fille. She wasn't happy. Il pas content. And it, we use it for a thing. You can say it wasn't raining. You can say wasn't raining. It wasn't raining. It wasn't raining. Okay? For were, you can say were please not, were please not, and was plus not. Okay? Was not or wasn't or were not ou bien weren't. You can say we weren't. We weren't. I can say we weren't happy. We weren't happy. And for you, you weren't singing. Oh, excuse me. You weren't singing. You weren't singing. Ou pas chanter. You weren't singing. And for they is used for more than one person, for the other person. You can say they weren't happy. They weren't happy. Yo pas content. Ça c'est comme ça, vous formez négatif avec verbe être là non simple past. For was, we use was avec subject pronoun ça, I, he, she, it. I wasn't happy. He wasn't sad. She wasn't happy. It wasn't raining. And for were plus not, we weren't happy. You weren't happy or were not. You weren't singing and they weren't happy. Okay? Now, if you want to ask a question with was and were, si vous voulez poser une question avec was and were, this is the question form. From question, what dit was, et puis the subject là, et puis was he happy? Was he happy? Ça sont questions posées. Est-ce qu'elle était content? Was he happy? Là, on parlait des young garçons. Was he happy? For she say was she singing? Est-ce qu'elle était chantée? Was she singing? Was she singing? And for it, you can say was it raining? Est-ce que la pluie était tombée? Was it raining? Yes, my friend, was it raining? Est-ce que la pluie était tombée? Was it raining? Okay. Forward. You say were we happy? Est-ce que nous étions contents? Were we happy? Were we happy today? Est-ce que nous étions contents aujourd'hui? Okay? For you can say were you singing? Est-ce que vous t'es chanté? Were you singing? And for they, to ask a question with they, you can say, were they happy? Yes, were they happy? Est-ce que yo t'es content? Were they happy? Ça c'est comme ça pour former question avec were and was and simple past. Si yo pas content, on dit were they happy? No, they weren't happy. Yes, yo pas content. Or si yo t'es content, on dit yes, they were happy. Ok? Ça c'est comme ça pour poser question avec was and were. I think you memorized this lesson. That's enough for today. Today, you are learning the verb to be in simple past. Jodia ou apprendre verbe être dans temps passé en anglais. Je pense que vous allez regarder vidéo nous fait avec verbe to be dans temps présent, regarder et puis vous regarder verbe to be dans simple past in English. Okay? It was your teacher. It was a nice moment in this lesson. I hope you gonna love this lesson. Share this video. Partagez vidéo ça avec tout le monde pour plus de monde regarder. Pas oublier, like et puis abonner à la chaîne. Ok, goodbye.